life. Hope you all are doing well. So today is our second online lecture. Those students who have submitted their work, very good. So let's move towards our lecture. Keep your book in front of you all. Open it. Page number 9. Exercise 1B. So we have fill in the blanks, true, false, MCQs. So our first blank is 6920110 is dash more than 69000000. So they are asking about this value is how much greater than this value. So the answer is 20110. Sum of 4952106 and 900000 is, we have to add them up, 5852106. So the next is 5874813 is greater than 5774813 by, वो पूछ रहे हैं कि हमारे पास ये वैल्यू इस वैल्यू से ग्रेटर है कैसे, because of this value 100 and 000. 3421792 and 421792 together makes, combined we will add them up, 3843584. Difference means subtraction of this value from this will be 399249. So we have true false in the next question. If 1 is added to the greatest 6-digit number, it makes the smallest 7-digit number true. 5000000 subtracted from 6500000 equals to 6000000 true. 750000 is sum of 5000000 and 25000 false. The difference of 3500 720 and 2500 720 is 150000 false. 7216 477 is the sum of 8120595 and 1095882 true. Next we have choose the correct option. So the first one is the number which is 50000 more than 1253129 is option number C, 1303129. The number, question number 2, the number which is 2000 less than 9732400 is option B, 9730400. C, if 8765550 is reduced by 7000550, the result is equals to option number C, 1765000. If we add both of the values, it will be equal to option number A, 8148945. If the smallest 6-digit number is subtracted from the greatest 7-digit number, the result is option B, 9899999. So next we have addition and subtraction question. So question number 4, 5, 7 and 9. You have to do it in your homework on your notebook. Hope you understand the lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.